Hiya budgeters, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I've been missing in action for a couple of weeks. It's happened, it's life, and I'm not going to dwell on anything. But what I want to quickly update you with is that a family friend, a friend of the family, yes, her and her three young children got themselves in a dilemma, and I offered to help. So what I did, cutting a long story short, I emptied my envelopes, a couple of my envelopes, and gave it to her. Now, it's guaranteed that I'm going to get it back. I don't have a problem with that. I was just so glad that I was able to help, and that's the way it is. Just quickly moving forward, I just want to show you the envelopes that I used. I used my Save 2023 and 2023, which now I was going to use it for second round of emergency funds, because I did one last year. I think it was over 2,000 I saved last year for emergency, and this was the second round of it. But nonetheless, I was glad to help out, and I did empty some out of my 52 weeks challenge as well. But at a later date I will come back and count up what I have left in these envelopes, and what I may do is just add it to my sinking funds or something like that. But moving on swiftly, I would just like to finish up October, because I'm stuffing for the 28th of October now, because I have the money that I usually do every week. But it's just that I hadn't done it for 2 weeks. So the last time I did my stuffing was the 21st of October. So this stuffing is for the 28th, and then I'll swiftly move on, maybe do 1 or 2 videos for the week just to catch up. But I just want to be accountable that I do have the money to stuff. Barring these 2 that I've had to empty, that was a different story, and as I said, I was really happy to help. Okay, so I've colored these in already. So we're ending October today, and that's getting £15. Actually, you know what, let me just count my £140 as I usually do. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that's £140 that I have to stuff, and I'm going to put £15 in for my October pumpkins, and that's finished now. So I will just take that money out, and it should be 65. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. That is it. We're done with October. And let me just stuff for November. I've coloured in the pumpkin pie already, and the big icons normally get £20. That's that, and we're finished with this binder. All right, so I'm glad I got that off my chest, and I was able to share it with you. Nothing's more sweeter than health and your life, right? Okay, so now I am going to move on to the big roll the dice, and what I will do is choose what dice I want to use today. I think I'm going to use the wooden ones today. Yeah, let's do the wooden ones today. And the big roll the dice is here, and let's see what we can do. So that's 9. All right, let's just put that there. 9, and we'll colour that in. So that's a 4 and a 5. think I will leave it as that now. I will leave the 9 as that, and I will just add £10 in for that, and this will go, let's have a look, big roll of dice. Let's have a look, see if that's there. There we go, big roll of dice. And then we've got the little roll of dice, and that one is in here. I'm going to use purple. So that's 4. We do another one. That's 4. And let's color this in purple. That's 2 2s. And let's do another one. That's 6. That's 10. Okay, 5 and 1. Let's do 5 and 1. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm just going to take that out and let it dry. So that's £10. Great. And the next one will be Shut the Box. Shut the box. Pray for me, friends. Pray for me with this Shut the Box. I'll tell you something. Sometimes I get in a sort of like a low place, and it's hard for me to come back, but it's just being here is so nice. I'm really glad. Just being here is really nice. So we have Shut the Box here, and let me just take out the colors, pink and purple. Now I'm going to use white. There we go. Four and 2, that's 6. So I will do 6. Oh, 2 and 1 is 3. Four and 3, 7. Let's get all the big numbers out right. And 6 and 3 is 9. Yes! All the big numbers have been knocked out. 5 and 2 is 7. 5 and 2. And 4 and 5 is 9. 8 and 1. Oh my goodness, what is going on? This is amazing. And I've got 4 left and 5. So that's £4. And let's do another one. Yes. Shall I do another one? Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's do another one. Okay, so that's 10. No, 5 and 6 is 11. So we'll do 9 and 2. And 4 and 4 is 8. Doing okay, I'm doing okay. Better not talk too soon. That's 3 and 1 is 4. Six and 3 is 9. 6 and 3. 6 and 3, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 6 and 3. That's still good. And 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Haven't got it. Nope, haven't got it. All right, that's okay, that's all right. So we've got 4 here, and we've got 7, 10, 12, 13. 13. That's all right. Got 13 and 4 is 17, and I will just put £20 in Shut the Box. Now let's see where Shut the Box is. Shut the Box should be here. Yep, in the Roll the Dice challenges, which is the mini challenge, and Shut the Box is in this envelope. And we'll go for the mini challenge now. Right, I will use 2 dice. So that's 6. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's £1. 1. That's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's £5. Okay, so that's £6 so far. And that's 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another 5. Okay, so that's £11. Shall I do another one? Yeah, let's do another one. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. That's £10. That's good. That's £21. So what I'll do, I will put £20 in, because I've doubled up along the way throughout this game anyway. And what I'll do, I'll colour that in, because I'm going to have to play back the video now to colour it in. But it's all good. It's all good. All right. I'll colour that in. And then we've got Grab a Book. We've got Grab a Book, and these two are from Frugality is Life. If you want to check out her Etsy shop, she does have one with some really nice savings challenges. 6 and 5, 11. What was I going to say just before that now? I'm getting so excited. You see what the savings challenges does? Okay, so let's count. Let's do pink, hot pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 pounds, and I will just put 25 in. So we've got 10, 20 and 5. That wasn't bad, was it? That is good, and that will go into Grab a Book. Has got its own envelope. Let's see, there we go. Grab a Book, and there. Okay, so that's good. I'm happy with that. So I'll just colour those in while I'm sitting down having a cup of tea. I do enjoy just chilling out and colouring them in. And let's see what we've got here now. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20 rollover. Now that was really enjoyable. I'm so glad that I kind of shifted my headspace and decided to come back and do, you know, a video, because I'm not being fair to myself, because I need to just keep on top of my little savings challenges, because it's no stress or anything doing it. It's just sometimes I just don't want to sit down and to think about making a video. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm so grateful for all of you. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.